out of Kutztown. Police are still investigating the missing students at Kutztown University. No evidence has been found nor connections made between the victims except that each of their bodies was found tucked into bed. In other news, Bessie has given birth once again. This is the most...
Hey Shannon, I'm about to order Tommy Boys. Do you want anything?
No, I'm just having dinner for one tonight. But you should try the buffalo chicken slice. It's my favorite.
Oh, okay. Thanks. See ya. Hi, could I place an order for pickup? One buffalo chicken slice. I'm so glad you're here. There's this person following me and I don't have my keys and I just don't know what to do.
Why are you so freaked out?
Because there's a murder on the loose and there's this person following me.
I know he had nothing to do with that.
But wait, how do you know? Ah!
Buffalo chicken, my favorite.